Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make sketches for creating websites or mobile phone applications or any digital application that you are creating. But obviously this cannot be used to make a video script or something. For that it will be a good idea to use comic strips, right? So let's get going. So the website name is draw.io. There are many other websites, but this is one of my favorites, so I'm going to use this one for today. And once you click on the website, it will take you to this home page. Before it starts, it will ask you, after your design or flowchart or the final sketch is created, where do you want to save it? So you can make flowcharts also over here. So right now I want to save it on my device, so I'll click on device, and either I can open an existing diagram which was made in the past, or I can directly start with a new diagram, or I can change the storage if I don't want to save it on my device anymore. For now I'm going to create new diagram, and I'm going to just simply go with blank diagram for now. Create. Let's name it as test draw.io, and I'm going to save it in my downloads. There. So this is the screen and this is the mesh where you have to put your sketches, or you have to put the components of your sketches. So since I am going to use this particular platform today to make sketches for, or to show you how to make sketches for mobile phone applications, I will be using shape which is like mobile phone. You can either click like this and scroll, or the easiest idea is to just search for it. There. So you can pick any shape or color that you like. So for example, I'm going to just pick this because this looks like a normal phone. I can also make the size big or small like any other application. I think this is okay, right? And let's say I'm making my first screen of my phone application, right? So I want to add a background color here. So I'm going to use a rectangular shape. Okay, this is a square shape and I can change it. Oh, it is locked. So I think, yeah, let's change it to, let's unlock it so that I can, constraint proportions can be unlocked so that I can just change one side like this. So you just remove this, and you can increase or decrease the size only from one side, not from all the side. Okay, so constraint proportion. Now let's change the color of this. So I'm going to change the color of this to the background color of my application. So let's say this is the background color of my application that I'm planning to make. And since this is my first screen, I just want to start with a text message. So let's pick text. Okay, and any basic text, or I can also use text boxes. So for now I just want to use this, and maybe the text says welcome to or just say welcome for now, okay, because I'm not really planning a real application. This is just my way to teach you how to make sketches for your final app before you actually start coding for your app. So a welcome message, and then I want a button where I want the user to click, and so that they can start using my phone app, let's say. So I can just search for button, and there are these different types of buttons I can pick. Okay, so let's say I want to pick this one. So let's say play. I can change the color of the button, I can change the text of this button, I can change the color from here. I can change the font. It's literally very simple. It's like any other tool which you use to edit or to make things look better, like this, right? So this is play, maybe there's another button that says feedback or review. If I want to take feedback from my users. So you're here, increase the font size, style, color, pick the color of your choice. Okay, I just want to keep it same. Like that. Okay, so basically any other decoration you want to do, you can pick from here and you can add it. Okay, now next is I want to make the next screen. So I can Control C, Control V this. Okay, but the background is not there. So you can put another background, or what you can do is you can select multiple things, then Control C, Control V, so that you don't have to really waste your time again and again in changing the background like this. Then use arrows to show the flow of this application. So if you want to show that this application runs bi-directional, which means we can go from this screen to this screen and this screen to this screen again and again. So let's make it bi-directional. If it is just in one direction, let's say there is no button to go back to the previous screen, just use normal unidirectional regular arrowhead like this, one directional. Okay. Now here, if I want to show that I have added some pictures, now since it's just what do we say, just a sketch, not real application, you can just add image logo instead of adding real images like this. Let's say I have in real application I will have 4 images here, so I can simply do this, and then when I'm explaining my application I can briefly write about these images. There. See how these grids guide you? Yeah. There. Right, and after this maybe I want a text box where the user will type the feedback or something. Text box for feedback. So basically what I'm trying to make you understand is, if you are making the final sketches for your phone application or websites, just try to use this kind of applications which allow you to easily create a flow diagram with clear sketches showing how your application will actually look like. Yeah, if you're doing websites, you can just look for like computer screens or monitors like this, right? So that it gives you the feel of a screen, a laptop screen or something. You can also search laptop here, and then same, you can edit your tabs, menus, pictures, videos, whatever you're adding. So all these buttons are there, all these shapes are there. You can use them smartly to add explain your application to the third party or the client even before making your actual application and coding, because if that goes wrong then you will have to redo everything, and what if you made and then your client doesn't like it. So the first step should be to, after sketching roughly, to create something like this to give a realistic view to the client or the third party who is looking at your ideas. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this idea. Take care. Bye bye.